All right, guys, here we go. We're going to rerun. Father-in-law copied the wrong list there on break 1380. We're going to rerun it now. Do a new one. What's up? I'm doing the video right now. You had the Eagles in there still. It'll be 11 rounds. Eagles were picked, and they were one of the teams that got randomized. So two people had the Eagles. All right, 11 rounds. There's the remaining 16 teams. Here we go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last round. 11. I'm going to just post these real quick so Derek can break it. I'll post the video and everything else here in a little bit, guys. Thanks.